Let me show you real quick some of the new neat features that are in Milestone 5 of MobiOne Developer. First off, I want to show you the new screen capture tool that's available in the top left hand corner. If you want to just do a screen capture, just left click it and you'll see that you immediately get a capture of the faceplate and just whatever's on the screen. So you go ahead and just load another application, just load the ESPN web app, and then do a screen capture. You notice that you can save this off as various formats, or you can copy it to another application, print it. You can also zoom in and out. One thing I want to show you is that if you don't want to have the faceplate when you do the screen capture, you can come over here to screen capture, turn off the faceplate, then do another screen capture, and notice that now you just have the actual browser content area. The next new feature I'd like to show you is the send to my phone action that we added in Milestone 5. So let's say that you are looking at some mobile web frameworks. Let's say that you're trying out the webapp.net framework, and so you launch this in MobiOne and you see that it's running in the emulator, but then you want to see this run on your phone. You want to see it run on your device. So you can right click and say send this to my phone, and it's going to tell you that you don't yet have a URL to send to the phone that's yet available. So and you have some example uh, numbers here. So let's just pretend that this is our mobile number, and so I'm gonna send it to my iPhone. Save that off. Now we can say send to my phone, and as you can see, it pulls up an email client here and ready to send using email to SMS gateway, and then you can send this off, and then you should be able to see this framework on your phone. Another thing that we worked hard on in Milestone 5 was getting compatibility with very state-of-the-art, cutting-edge mobile web applications, and one of the seminal ones would be Gmail for the mobile web. And so let's go out here and actually already have a web clip installed, and we can see with Gmail that we've spent some time in Milestone 5 to get things like smooth scrolling working, also cookies and the different local storage persistence that's available in the Gmail mobile web application. Also, one thing that's new is the little scroller toolbar, floating toolbar that's kind of this app is famous for. It now works in Milestone 5. So yeah, it gives you a good opportunity to kind of look at how their application works, and you could pull it up in the uh, inspector and kind of poke around and see how they're kind of doing some of those cool things they're doing in their mobile web application. Lastly, I'd like to make one quick mention that another part of Milestone 5 that's a little bit invisible to the user, but it's worth saying, is that we have now migrated MobiOne onto top of the WebKit for SWT framework. So let me pull up that web page. So we had version 0.6 of WebKit for SWT open source framework. It's about a gigabyte worth of open source code that we released out there in the open a few weeks ago. So we spent some time in Milestone 5 to get it running on top of this new platform because we feel like it's going to be a really good emerging technology for Java developers out there to use. And so that's just a note, so you can know that we are eating our own dog food and building MobiOne on top of the framework that we did release in the open source. Hope you enjoy Milestone 5. Thank you.